Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we turn simple ingredients into heavenly dishes. Today, we have an incredible recipe for you, a cheesy beef pie that's going to blow your mind. Let's get started. First, in a large mixing bowl, add mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and cream cheese. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Pop them in the microwave for 1 minute until the cheese melts. Now, add coconut flour, baking powder, and 1 egg. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined. Time to get hands-on. Knead the mixture until it forms a non-sticky dough. Next, take a Springform pan and grease it with olive oil. Spread the dough evenly in the pan and set it aside. Now, let's make the savory beef filling. Heat some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, add finely diced onion, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Sauté until they are translucent. Add the minced beef and cook until it's nicely browned. Then, season with Himalayan salt, black pepper, chili flakes, garlic powder, and your favorite meat spices. Cook for about 3 more minutes. Turn off the heat and add some cheddar cheese. Stir until the cheese melts into the beef mixture. Spread the beef mixture over the cheesy dough base. Remember to check the description for the ingredients and measurements. Cover it with another layer of cheddar cheese and sprinkle some thyme on top. Now, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for 20 minutes until it's golden and bubbly. And here it is, our cheesy beef pie. It looks and smells absolutely divine. The cheesy crust is so flavorful, and the beef filling is perfectly seasoned. This is a must-try recipe. Thanks for joining us on Heaven's Kitchen. If you love this recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest recipes. And remember, this cheesy beef pie is perfect for those following a keto diet. See you next time.